Okay, so now what we want to do is have him constantly coming on the screen, raining butterflies. So we're going to separate out the loops, and we're going to the motion loops, and we're going to go into looks, and we're going to add show in here, and then we're going to go into controls, and we're going to look for the forever, so that he is constantly doing this. So we're going to put them back together, and when we click the green flag, when he hits the bottom, boom, he's appearing in different places. We can move our ship around and fire. Nothing happens yet, but you get the idea. So if you can do that for your butterfly, add the show, add in the forever loop, put them back together, and once you've done that, I'll see you in the next video.